Hey guys, this is Sophie from Minimalist Keto. We just wanted to give you guys a quick update of what we are eating on a regular basis. And Angelo and I are eating different things right now because he's trying to gain more muscle mass and I'm trying to lose a little bit of weight. So this recipe is very helpful for me because it's really filling and still pretty low in calories. And I know there are many recipes out there, but this is how we make it. And we just wanted to share it with you guys. So we hope that you will enjoy this recipe. All right, let's start.
So here are the ingredients that you're gonna need. You're gonna need 6 eggs, 6 large eggs.
Yes.
Then approximately 160 grams of bacon. So here we have 4 big slices of bacon.
Yeah, they are very thick.
Yes. But it doesn't really matter because we're gonna cut them up. And then we have some feta, which is how much?
60 grams.
60 grams of feta or goat cheese.
Yes, that's also fine, but this is feta right now. And
then a little bit of Kerrygold grass-fed butter for the pan for the bacon.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Alright, shall we get started?
yeah, sure.
We're gonna preheat the oven to 175 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
In the meantime, I'm chopping the bacon. But you can, if you can buy it in the store in already this kind of bacon cubes, that's also fine. You can save yourself some time. But we really love this bacon and this one is in slices, so that's how we do it. Alright, this one, good. So we have all this. And now next step. So we're gonna add some butter to the pan. So the pan is heated up, so now I'm gonna put the bacon in there. Okay. Now until this one gets a little bit cooked, we're gonna crack the eggs. We're gonna crack 6 eggs.
So we have our eggs. What's the next step?
Mixing it up. So now we whisk the eggs. I'm gonna add
Sea salt or pink Himalayan salt?
approximately like 1 teaspoon, I would say. But these are tiny spoons, so. Okay, and whisk it again. And what I do, you can also do it, you can also cut it, but I just kind of smash it in the feta because it's very soft anyway, so it's not a problem.
Yeah.
And for me it's easier. And I think the bacon is getting ready as well, based on the sound. So we have to trying to be fast with this so I can check. But it should be okay.
Alright.
Right? So this part is done.
And the bacon looks to be getting ready.
Right, so we're gonna just add the bacon. Nice. But it's up to you. You can also make it with a little bit less bacon, and then calorie-wise it's also...
Sure, if you want to make it vegetarian, you can also remove the bacon and
just add
add some more
cheese
feta
and maybe
or some other
olives.
cheese. Olives, yeah.
Alright, so that's it. That's our base. And now what we're gonna do, I will take out the baking tray. So usually with this recipe we make 9 egg muffins. So I'm just gonna lay it out here. You just take the bowl and a nice scoop and just try to make even sized muffins. And this is gonna be with a lot of bacon. Nice.
Awesome.
Have to remember this one. Although we have quite a lot of bacon, so We're all gonna get lucky this time. Right?
It's really good.
And this is also like, it's just so easy to bring it with you anywhere. Like yesterday we went hiking and we brought our awesome egg muffins with us, and that was a lot of fun.
That was so tasty.
Yeah.
It's a great travel snack, or if
Yeah.
you don't have time to eat, then you just make some egg muffins, bring them with you to work as well.
And
They're really filling, really satisfying.
as you can see, it's so easy to make it. Oh, actually, this time it's gonna be 10. We're gonna have an additional one. Or did I just... Oh, no, I miscalculated. Okay.
We forgot one part.
So, yes.
There you go.
There you go.
And now we're gonna put them in the oven at 175 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which we preheated before, for 25 minutes. And we are done.
And we go. Alright. I'm gonna take it out first and then turn off the oven. Oops. Nice.
So here are the egg muffins fresh out of the oven.
Yeah. And it's gonna shrink a lot, so don't be surprised if it's...
Yeah, in the beginning they're really large, they're really big,
Yeah.
and then they shrink a little bit.
Especially this one is super fluffy.
Alright, so half an hour passed, and as you can see they shrank quite a bit. But that doesn't mean they're any less tasty now. You can eat them either warm, right, fresh out of the oven if you want, but they're also really good when you have them, when you take them out of the fridge. So when they're cold, they're even tastier actually.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's pretty much it. And we're gonna have some soon.
So we made the muffins in the morning and now it's the evening, so I'm gonna have them for dinner. So I'm just gonna take it out from the fridge where we store it in these super awesome glass containers. And yeah, I just open it. I take the one with the most bacon and just, as you can see, they shrunk quite a lot, but they are super tasty. So this is gonna be my dinner, 4 muffins, which is gonna be approximately 500 calories, but we're
In
gonna
total, yeah.
we're gonna show you afterwards the exact.
And they're really filling. I also like that they're just, that there's no flour at all. That it's just really simple, just eggs, bacon.
So this is
And
how it looks like.
Ooh,
Very
nice, that
bacony.
looks really good.
And what I do, I usually just add a little bit of sea salt on top here. Sprinkle quite a bit. And eat it like a sandwich.
Nice. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
So that was our recipe for today. We hope you don't mind that it was a little bit less structured than usual. And it has quickly become one of our favorite little recipes, as it's really simple to make. You don't use any kind of flour and it's just 5 ingredients. And it's really nutrient dense for how little calories every single muffin has. And especially if you're trying to lose fat, it's a great little recipe to have in your arsenal, as it's really satiating. And Sophie's trying to lose some more body fat right now, and so it's really helped her out to just consume less food or all, to be less hungry, especially when you combine it with intermittent fasting. Yeah, that works really well. And yeah, we hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please don't forget to leave us a like and to subscribe if you'd like to see more in the future. See you soon. Bye.